I'm recording you. You know what that means? Taya, do you know what that means? What does it mean? What does that mean? Taya, look at mommy. Say, mommy. Say, mommy. Say, mommy, I love you.
Mommy, you.
Say, mommy, silly.
Mommy said.
Say, big hugs.
Big hugs.
Kisses.
Kisses.
And cheese. She's silly.
I'm a baby.
She's a big girl, Taya is. Taya just turned 2, March 29th.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Uh-huh.
No.
Say, I love.
Yeah.
Happy.
Happy.
Kisses.
Kisses.
Daddy.
Daddy.
KK.
KK.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Aww. And braids.
And bits.
And now she gets her cheese.
Cheese.
Is it good? Close your legs. Good girl.